me, ako sa mga manunood ng movie, sana lang mabigyan namin kayo ng inspirasyon
Hmm.
na kung meron kayong magandang idea, go for it. Walang makakatigil sa inyo. You just have to be resourceful. Ang kapital mo ang iyong kusa,
Yes,
tsaka yung iyong
yes.
hard work.
Yes, yes.
Kasi the path for us for this movie was not paved. Di namin alam kung anong ginagawa namin. We just wanted to try. But because we tried, now you guys can see it in the cinemas. If you're independent, walang studio, walang major studio backing you. Kaya sana maging inspirasyon to na kung ikaw ay isang creative or may kwento kang gustong ipahayag through the creative means, you can do it.
Go for it.
Just go for
Yeah,
it.
yes, yes. And if they were able to, ba't naman kayo hindi? 'Di ba? Whenever I have people here who've become successful in their lives, I always say the reason why you've become successful is because you were being used by the universe to show that it's possible for other
Amen.
people. I mean, if you're able to make that spark of creativity become a reality, then
Mm.
why can you guys not be? 'Di ba? Yung
Oo.
mga taong nanonood sa atin na parang gusto ko i-try, takot ako ganyan ganyan.
Oo.
Bayag lang ang kailangan diyan.
Since we're talking about the movie, gusto namin 1 billion revenue sales sa box office. Billion
Okay.
pesos.
So I really hope your movie will become a good representation of our creativity, of the Filipinos' resilience and heart and tapang. Really, really hope that when you release it internationally sa Amazon, even the white people, alam mo, even the non-Filipinos
Mm.
will tatangkilikin siya. So
Mm.
please, please, let's make it happen.
Okay, ako naman 5 years from now, yung career ko sa sa States, medyo lucrative na siya.
Oh.
Million-million na yung mga fans ko na mga Amerikano and
You're trying
yes,
to,
yes.
kasi syempre for the longest time sa Philippines ka talaga.
This year 2026 nag-focus na ako sa States.
Okay,
Kasi doon na
okay.
kami nakatira so why not try?
Para yung mga para alam mo yun, parang represent us, kumbaga, 'di ba?
Yes,
Pinoy
yes.
represent.
Maging barkada ko na si Bruno Mars, gano'n.
Iba! Iba! Pa-shoutout na lang kay Bruno,
Hey Bruno,
pag
what's up Bruno?
I think Filipinos are really next.
Yeah, claiming. And having said that, cheers to Songs for
Cheers.
Selena. Really, really
Yay!
hope for the success of the movie.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
congratulations on showing it. Malaking bagay na yun. Yung ilabas mo, you already won. No matter what happens, you guys are
Thank
already
you.
winners.